Hi guys, hi, this is Aritra here. This is my first video on YouTube. Before that I have posted so many shots, but today I'm gonna post about how I got the top brands to work with them. And before I start about those topic, let me just introduce myself first. I am a Bengali and I got married in 2022 and I reside in Chennai, but currently I'm into my hometown, that's Agartala. Makeup is my passion, and I want to really do something great about it. So let me just see how can I help you people, and how can I show you some basic techniques and hacks so that you can use a minimal amount of makeup. So before I proceed, I would like to share you the story how I got my first sugar and top brands to work with. So first of all, I am having my Instagram page, that is the Desi Estate, and there I posted so many photos, so many makeup photos and videos of mine. And then one fine day, I remember the sugar has actually texted me telling me that will you be happy to work with us, we're loving your content. I was like, what? Like, okay, really, is it happening with me? And then I was like, okay, fine, let's see. And I was very happy, and then I immediately replied them, yeah, definitely I'll be happy to work with you. And then I just texted them, yeah, sure, please do send me all the collaboration details in my email ID. And I still remember it was Friday, and I was waiting for the text or waiting for the email which was supposed to send to me. And then I was texting I'm a very impatient person, and I texted my husband telling me that I think they have texted me by mistake. I'm not very sure what's happening. Then my husband told, please be patient, today is a Friday, it's a weekend, please do wait till Monday. Okay, and then I waited till Monday, and yes, in the morning I got a mail from Sugar telling that it's a Sugar collaborations confidential mail. And I opened the mail and I was very happy to see that I got my first collaboration with Sugar, where I remember that people like 1,000 to 5,000 followers at least you need to have an Instagram to get such collaborations, as far as my knowledge. And then I got a collaboration with them. I am not even having 100 followers. I was very happy. I was very, very grateful at the same time that okay, they've seen my profile, because I was posting continuously and I was tagging Sugar, other brands and all those stuffs. And then I suddenly got their collaboration and I was very, very, very happy. So after that I got the collaboration of like it was TVC commercials recreating the look of Tapsi Pannu, and I was very, very happy, and I did that collaboration. And once the email ID, I think it was in the loop, I got a lot of collaborations from Sugar, like the Karwa Chauth look, the Diwali look, certain hacks using mascara and tweezer, eyeliner hack, eyeshadow, recreating some new techniques of applying an eyeshadow and all those stuff. And I got, I think, 4 to 5 collaborations with Sugar. And then there was another collaboration from Quench Botanics which was given to me. And then I was like very happy, okay, I am getting some, it sometimes doesn't matter about anything except the happiness that you're getting, doing the collaboration with such top brands. And makeup I feel for me makeup is a therapy, and makeup for me is an passion. It's a stress buster for me. Whenever I I'm stressed, whenever I'm not happy, I try to do some makeup. Coming back to the collaboration of Quench Botanics, it was again a collaboration where I was given a mail from Quench Botanics that will you be happy to work with us? We are from Quench Botanics, so and so products will be given to you. And I was like, why not? I will be definitely working. And then I got the products from Quench Botanics, and then I work with them. And then there are certain apps or website, you can say, that's the Bold Marketers, Winkle, and the Good Creator, and all those. So I have registered myself there, and used to apply for certain makeup brands or collaboration that used to come to me. And I was just testing my luck whether I can get or not. Or definitely I can see the things that you are not eligible or eligible for certain things. And then I got a collaboration from TVM, that is a Bold Marketers, and then that was a collaboration with them using Swiss Beauty products. I was very happy again, and due to certain circumstances, I think the products did not deliver to me in Chennai, and luckily I was coming to my home, and I got my products and delivered to my house address. My father told, you got some parcel. I said, yeah, I know, please do keep it, I'll come and I'll do the collaboration. Behind the scenes, behind whatever I am doing right now or whatever I have done till now, is always the support of my parents, my husband, my friends, my colleagues. They have always encouraged me, supported me to do whatever I feel to do. So yeah, without their support, I think I would not have opened a YouTube channel, because I'm very shy person, or not an introvert, but I am very shy person to open up myself in front of everyone. And yeah, this channel will be completely about the makeup hacks, tricks, and how you can use minimal products to do the makeup, because you do not need lot of makeup products to do the makeup, to for simple location, or even the wedding look, even the guest look, whatever you are whatever you feel to do. You do not need a lot of makeup to put on, and it makes your skin damage. At the same time, it will make your skin looks very cakey. Try to skip foundation if you are not, like, if you don't need it. You can definitely cover your dark circles or pigmentation with the help of a high coverage concealer. I think that's more than enough to do it. And you do not need a lot of expensive product at the same time, because if you can see my shots, if you can relate to this makeup, I did not use a single drop of foundation over here. I just used a little amount of concealer, and I just did my makeup here. Yeah, now if you're going for a heavy makeup look, or now you're going for a bridal look or something, then definitely you need a foundation. But I do not have any foundation, to be honest. I think during my wedding I just tube of Nykaa foundation, that's it. And I think after that I never used it. Even if I go to any function or something, I use concealer, a high coverage concealer, to conceal my dark circles and pigmentation. If I have a lot of dark circles, because I have a dark circle problem, so I try to use a color corrector. Sometimes you can use if you don't have a color corrector, I think you can see my shots that you can also go for a eyeshadow to correct your under eye, and then you can apply a high coverage concealer, and it really works. So I hope you will definitely like my hacks. I know there are a lot of YouTube channels which will teach you about all this. I'll try to teach you the best way possible. I do have expensive skincare. I do not believe to buy a lot of expensive makeup items, because I do have so many lipsticks, I do have so many makeup products. I always try to invest on the expensive skincare rather than go for expensive makeup products. So you do not even need certain expensive products to use. Hope everyone will show the love and support here. So that's how we will. Let's see how we can make the channel big. Let's see how we can grow together and learn together. Thank you.